Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
All Meghalaya Karbi Association mentasni kalayo ban Pynkut no ya ka jing rakhe ka balai sni lenter ya ka Jubili Ksiar kabala pelong hapur dua Raj Hopati jong Karibhoi district ha ka ni ka sni penhaparda ya ka ni ka jing rakhe lawan banedon ringkat da umentri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma UMLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bonds aim UMLA ka mauhati uba Charles Marngar ka MDC ka nongpo ka Kongrana Khamdet UMDC na Omroy uba Isnay Hing, Deputy Chairman ka Karbi Autonomous District Council Avjit Kro na lor kiwe de. Ha kanigasi la sakhiru ya ka jingwan ya don benta jangki hajar ngut ki pat ba Karbi na kaleng ka jilla batru ki bana Assam ban sakhi bat ban le kemen lang ya ka jing dap san post nam ka jing ya denti jong ka AMKA ban syakri ya ki pat ba Karbi ka jilla. Lapan ipo ipieng shu ya kani ka jing rakhe lingba ka jing sha jing rai ten rai ka jing pen iriam ten rai na lor kiwe de ban pen I sha ka perthei halor ka jing riu spa jong kariti ka dostor ki jat ben riu Karbi kumshi benta jong ka jing rakhe u Conrad ke sangma ulapli pat ba ru ya umau sa jingken mau jong ka Jubili Ksiar ha kani ka sni ha ka jing edan lang ki kendram kilindan bat kinong yalam ka AMKA Habakran hakane ka sni na kalyang umintri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma ula ai ka jingiro ya kinong yalam ka AMKA na do kibaminshwa hadu kibaminta halor ka jingno senyang ka jongki lingba ka seng ban kintiu bat pepenne pensa ya ka riti ka dostur tenrai jongki jat ben riu Karbi ha ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma ulo ongru bangidan ya ka history ka bajrang bat kipat ba Karbi ha ka jilla da ka bajer kerteng ru ya ki rangba kum uchiko timung u Dominic timung Valerian Timung, Ujoy Tado, bat kiwe de ki badan ya ka benta ka bakraw ha ka jinge khun banyo ya ka jilla bapura. Kat hadu baki hap bancha asat along daki benai, bat penpau bakan ye ka jing len lade bat ka jing IT ka jongki ka penken mau ya ka jinge de ka bayajan hapadeng ki pat Karbi bat ka jilla Meghalaya. Ha ka bayadei bat ka jing uput usam hapadeng ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam u Conrad ke sangma ula banjur ya ka jing dan kam bandan ka shongsuk shongsan bat ka jing trei lang ringkat da ka ba ai nuksa ba ka nie ka sarkar ka bamenta kala ya trei lang ringkat bat ka KAAC bat ki bor sarkar ka jilla Assam ban Shna ya ki yeng school nak benta ki khna ki basa ha ki jaka ki badan ka jingkan at lani kita ki disputed area Hagan ni kasni na kalyang UMLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bonds aim ula IT ru ya ka work order ka basan lakting ka na ka benta ban penbha bat maramot ya ka auditorium jong ka AMKA
Cumon, ajpa saman kat for 8 ABSI, 8 Kular, order serang, acharo, jama, base, apka saman kat for jadai, cepat! Jinsot!
Thank you a lot. Jingi. All Meghalaya Karbi Association on this momentous occasion of celebrating 50 years of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association. I also take this moment to congratulate and to remember and also to appreciate the contributions that have been made by the past presidents, general secretaries, members, advisors of the Amka, because of whom the organization is where it is today and has immensely contributed towards the overall development, the protection, the cultural aspects, and different traditions of the Karbi people, especially those who are living in our state of Meghalaya. We have a long history with our Karbi brothers and sisters in many ways. Chikro Timung, Dominic Timung, Valerian Hing Timung, Joy Taro are names that resonate with us even today. These people are Karbi brothers, spent months in jail when we were fighting for our statehood. And that's the kind of history that the Karbi people share with the state of Meghalaya. We may have different larger communities and tribes in our state, but let me assure every single citizen of our state that no matter which tribe you belong to, no matter which religion you practice, being in Meghalaya and being a citizen of Meghalaya makes you equally important to us. And it is a duty of every single leader and the government to ensure that all-round development and overall protection and rights are given to all the people living in our state of Meghalaya. Again, a very dear friend, very good in his speech, you can see. He knows how to speak and knows how to convince people. We were having a little chit-chat before he came on stage to give his speech. And he requested me that this program has been going on for 3 days now. And there's not much support that has been given from the government or from different sources except from his personal level. And he requested in his very soft voice and convincing voice, and convinced me that I should support this program also. So I would like to announce that I will be giving from my Chief Minister's special grant, which is meant for only this program. I would like to give 5 lakh rupees as grant to support this particular program, this Golden Jubilee program that you are having. Number 2, personally feel is something that is important. I have always stressed that without culture, without tradition, without the different dances, without the different clothes, we are nobody. We are just like anybody else. It is our culture that gives us the identity that we have today as Khasis, as Garos, as Rabas, Koch, Hajong, or Karbis. And therefore, I've been supporting our Rabba brothers and sisters. Hajong, Koch, even the Man Association has approached me. And we're helping each one of them. And therefore, taking a cue again from our local MLA, I would like to announce that I will be giving 50 lakhs for the cultural center to be built. We will see how it goes. And as we move along, if more support is required, I assure the President and Secretary and the Association, we will continue to support you. And we will give the necessary funds in order to be able to revive, to keep the culture, to be able to protect it, to be able to allow our youngsters to continue this culture, to learn, to practice, and keep that identity, which is what makes you Karbis. The endeavor of this government to ensure that we are able to carry along every single community with us as we move forward. We heard Mr. Pynkut Rabba speaking earlier. And he is the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Indigenous Scheduled Tribe Forum, and also working very closely with the Rabba Association in different parts of the state. And he will tell you that in the last 7 years of this government, in every single situation and circumstance, from development perspective to different programs like these that we're having today, to law and order situation, to situations where some communal tension was building up, Mr. Pynkut Rabba has direct access to Conrad to Chief Minister. And giving that importance to every single community to ensure the protection is given. A small example of how with the Rabba community, in the last 7 years, I've been engaging on a one-to-one basis. Whether it is the cultural centers that they have requested, I have sanctioned. Whether it's the different offices for the Rabba Association, I have sanctioned, whether it is for programs like these and financial support, I have supported them. Whether it is small issues and problems they face on a day-to-day basis, we are there to take care and to give them a sense of protection and support that they expect from the government. Similarly, from the Hajong community, we are building up the Hajong Cultural Center in Garo Hills. The Hajong Association approached me. And in the past, I'm not saying they were not given, but the kind of support that they're getting today may be much more than what it was in the past. The Coach Association had approached me for support for different office structures, for different programs. Similarly, support has been given to them also. Friends, what I'm trying to tell you, that it is not just words. It is not just because this program is happening today that I'm here giving this speech of inclusivity. But we are practicing what we preach by ensuring that the support is given to different communities in our state.
Banlong kung kajingking apadeng jong ki perlok Karbi bat ke sorkar lani bat ke district council agi por ki beladep kiladon ki kep ki bakum kita abang juyo ban songkai bat i mahe doktor di lapang iji itu syapang kajing yai lenti abang juyo ban song bat i ba BS teran ane juyo ban song bat ilet nusa milsing makri ki belong ki nang yalam bat kiwe abjuyo bani songkai bani keren bani kenmau ye kijing ai nanti kamlong ko besuk negi sub kemenpan bagol Meghalaya Karbi Association kelajam sinjam bandap san hausnem kedi kijing kemen nagamata ke jungfi ke jungelang baro ngas ngisa hilang ye kene kesngi kedi kesngi kebansa jing kenmau nagabanta jungfi ba jung ki khun sama jibi ki bidan nagane ka por fidevenship bagane ki Jubili haba pinmi nagane ki jaka haba philipai sigi ying isen ki shnong ki thau ki unit ki jungfi hinra lem bat ka khubor ka jingi tli banlong kawe nang ni syakmat kalong ka bakongsan hadu kata bahagano kono ka kenhun agano kono ka jaj penriu ka jing tli kalong ka bakongsan kidan sibun ki kenhun ki bala seng ki bala thum ki bala pat ki bala prat ang siteng por kala mandi ki jing wisni kala mandi ki jing wo keja kidan sibun ki dao tendre ni so komen pat baka all Meghalaya Karbi Association kawai ni association ki bala peni yuso jong ke jing tli kanlong kanduk sa ka bahatam na ka banta ki long kumi ki long pa ki bidan hakini ka por bat haga ju kerkom igi khun samla khamtam ya kalawai kaba pernai kaba kinsadon lang ni syakmat ngimla aban klep ya ki achievement layo aban pendon borong kisgi ki bala dep ya gitu ki bala no senyang ki bala contribute kala aban deh ki mlang salang kala aban deh ki officer sarkar kala aban deh khamtam ki jingila kai sports Karbi District Sport Association ke baju mikmat yagi kami lekai sport syaga jela nagapor ngijo saki ki babun ki atlet ki nong lekai ki bajuara ia kanam ke burom ia ke chan ko hoy ki jogi ki de perlok Karbi kum ki atlet bat ki wei ki cingile kai